kid named Jake tried to teach his dad one tiny thing: make a peanut butter and jam sandwich. Easy, right? Except Dad had one rule. He would do only exactly what Jake said, nothing more. And that one rule turned lunch into total chaos. Jake said, make a sandwich. So Dad grabbed the whole jar of peanut butter, the whole jar of jam, and smooshed them both between 2 slices of bread, jars and all. Jake screamed. Dad shrugged and said, you told me to make a sandwich. You never told me HOW. Hi, I'm Byte, your AI guide. And here's the wild part. Jake's dad wasn't being silly. He was acting like a computer. A computer never guesses what you meant. It follows what you actually said, one step at a time, no matter how ridiculous the result. Today, we learn to speak its language. That set of exact steps has a fancy name: an algorithm. Don't let the word scare you. An algorithm is just step-by-step instructions to get something done. That's it. A list of steps in order, clear enough that even a very literal helper could follow them. So Jake tried again. He said, spread peanut butter on the bread. And Dad poured the entire jar straight onto the slice. A giant sticky mess. Because Jake still hadn't said how much, or to use a knife, or how thin. Every gap in the instructions became a disaster. Inside LittleAIMaster, you can talk to me anytime, and I'm just like Jake's dad. I only understand exact instructions. So when you practice writing steps for me, you're learning the #1 skill every coder and AI builder needs. Clear thinking turned into clear steps. Here's the twist that surprises everyone. You are already an algorithm master, and you didn't even know it. You follow step-by-step instructions dozens of times a day. Your brain does it so smoothly you never call it anything. Let me show you 3 you did this morning. Brushing your teeth, take the toothbrush, put paste on it, wet the bristles, brush for 2 minutes, rinse your mouth. 5 clean steps in a fixed order. Skip step 2 and you're just scrubbing with a dry brush. That's an algorithm, and you run it every single day. Making hot chocolate, boil the water, add the cocoa. Pour the water, add sugar, stir, enjoy. 6 steps. Now imagine doing them out of order. Stir first, you'd be stirring an empty cup. The steps only work in the right sequence, and that's the secret of every algorithm. And the most important one, crossing the street. Stop at the curb, look left, look right, look left again. If it's clear, walk. This algorithm keeps you safe. And notice, one missing step, like skipping look right, could be dangerous. Steps aren't decoration. Each one has a job. This is the LittleAIMaster home screen. Notice how your learning is laid out as a path, one stage unlocking the next. That's not an accident. Your whole journey to becoming an AI builder is itself an algorithm. Clear start, specific steps, right order, clear finish line. Now the biggest idea in this whole lesson. Order. Think about baking a cake. Same flour, same eggs, same sugar. But if you bake it before you mix it, you get a burnt lump of powder. Swap just 2 steps and success becomes disaster. Algorithms live or die by order. Here's a quick test. To get into your house, insert the key, turn the key, open the door, walk in. Correct. Now flip it, open the door, then insert the key. Impossible. You can't open a locked door with your mind. The steps must happen in the sequence reality allows. One more. Pour the cereal, then get the bowl. Sounds close, but you just poured cereal all over the table because there was no bowl yet. To a computer, this happens constantly. It won't stop and think, hey, I should grab a bowl first. It just makes the mess. That's why your journey map here unlocks in a set sequence. You learn what an algorithm is before you sort good steps from bad ones. Skipping ahead would be like pouring the cereal before grabbing the bowl. The right order is what makes learning, and computers, actually work. So how do you write instructions a computer will never mess up? 4 rules: clear start, specific steps, correct order, clear end. Master these 4 and even a super literal helper, human or machine, will follow your plan perfectly. Let's take them one at a time. Rule 1, clear start. Don't say, do something with the bread. That's a wish, not a step. Say, take 2 slices of bread from the bag. Now there's a real, doable action. A good algorithm begins with a first step so specific there's 0 room to wonder. Rule 2, specific steps. Make it look nice means nothing to a computer. Nice how? Instead, spread the peanut butter evenly using a knife. Now every word points at a real action. This is exactly where Jake's dad went wrong and where most beginner code goes wrong too. Rule 3, correct order, the one we've been hammering. Pour the milk, then get the milk. Backwards. Get the milk first, then pour. Line your steps up in the exact sequence the real world needs. The computer will never reorder them for you, ever. Rule 4, clear end. Every algorithm needs a finish line so the follower knows to stop. Done, enjoy your sandwich. Without an ending, a computer might just keep going forever, spreading peanut butter until the jar runs out. A clear stop is as important as a clear start. And here's a jaw-dropper. A computer can run billions of instructions every single second. Billions, but all that speed means nothing if one step is unclear. A super-fast machine following a wrong instruction just makes the wrong thing happen faster. Speed can't fix a bad algorithm. Only clear thinking can. Let's train your eye. Which of these are good instructions? Press the green start button. Wait exactly 2 minutes. Take 2 slices of bread. All great because they're specific and testable. Now the bad ones, do the thing. Add some stuff. Figure it out yourself. A computer would freeze because it can't figure anything out. That last one really matters. Figure it out yourself feels normal to a human, but a computer literally cannot. It has no common sense to fall back on. This is the whole reason we learn to write clear steps. We're giving the machine the thinking it doesn't have on its own. You might wonder, but AI seems so smart. Does it really need steps this exact? Yes. Under the hood, even the smartest AI is layers and layers of precise instructions, working in order. In LittleAIMaster, you'll actually peek inside a neural network and see those instructions light up. It all starts here, with the algorithm. Let's make this real with something you love. Roblox. Every game runs on algorithms. Touch a coin and the game runs its steps. Add 10 coins, save your score, play the coin sound. In that exact order. If the order were scrambled, the sound might play before the coins ever counted. Or think about a pizza delivery app picking your driver. It follows steps. Check which drivers are close, check the traffic, check who's already carrying orders, then pick the best match. That's an algorithm making a smart choice by running rules in order. Not magic, just clear steps done fast. And here's where it all leads. In the Python lab inside the app, those plain English steps you're learning to write become real lines of code. Print this, wait for that, repeat these. Code is just algorithms in a language the computer reads directly. You're closer to coding than you think. Let's lock in 4 words you now own. Algorithm, the whole step-by-step plan. Steps, the individual actions inside it. Sequence, the order those steps must happen in. And instructions, the directions that tell someone exactly how to do something. 4 words, 1 big idea. Why does this matter so much? Because every single thing a computer does, every app, every game, every AI is built out of algorithms. Learn to break a messy task into clear, ordered steps, and you've unlocked the root skill of coding. This is superpower number 1. Everything else builds on it. So here's your challenge. Open the Create space in LittleAIMaster and write your own algorithm. A recipe, a game rule, your morning routine. Break it into clear, specific, ordered steps with a real ending. Then test it on me. If I follow it without a single mess, you nailed it. One last brain stretch. Why do computers need clear steps instead of vague ones like make it nice? Say your answer out loud. If you said, because computers can't guess, they follow instructions exactly, so clear steps and correct order stop mistakes, then congratulations. You genuinely understand algorithms now. And this is the whole heart of LittleAIMaster. Most people just use AI, pressing buttons, hoping it works. But you're learning to write the steps behind it. That's the difference between using an AI and raising one. Today, you took the very first step of a real builder. Check your progress screen and you'll see it, Algorithm Master unlocked. But this isn't the finish. It's the launchpad. Every future lesson, from decisions to loops to real AI, stands on the idea you just learned. Clear steps, correct order always. Finish the full chapter in the app, and you'll earn a certificate that says you truly understand how computers follow instructions. It's real proof of a real skill, the same thinking professional programmers use every single day. And you've got it at 11, 12, 13 years old. So what happens when instructions need to change? Like, if it's raining, then take an umbrella? That's decision making, and it's where algorithms start to feel truly alive. That's your next adventure. But first, you cracked the code of following instructions. Nicely done. Ready to write your first algorithm and meet me for real? Open LittleAIMaster and start the following instructions chapter today. Remember, don't just use AI, raise one. I'm Byte, and I can't wait to see the steps you build. See you in the app.